Hello, and we're here in London at the ExCeL at the International Franchise Show. We're having a great couple of days here, meeting prospects. In fact, we've been overwhelmed by the level of interest that we've received so far.
We've got years of experience in leak detection. We've been doing it in Scotland for about 10 years now, and we'd like to send that throughout the UK.
In fact, we're the experts, and we're looking for people to join us to help grow and become part of the UK's leading leak detection team. So if you want to join us, please get in touch.
We'll offer you all the training that you could ever want, and that's ongoing training and support for the length of your franchise.
And help you create a successful business.